Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Ring, the doorbell. Let's get to it.
Let's see what this box has. Let's open it. It looks like it has a screwdriver. Is it really a screwdriver? Yep, it's a screwdriver. Oh, and the doorbell. It has the doorbell. You think it's easy to set up? Let's see what else it has. Yep, just a screwdriver. Looks like it has some instructions. I'm having difficulties. Oh, there. Well, let's see the actual doorbell. Oh, okay, the instructions. Then the for the concrete. If you're gonna put in the concrete. Well, pretty shiny. I'm liking it already. Mr. Bear approves it. My fellow YouTubers, you heard it first from Mr. Bear. If you want to skip the whole video, just look at the manual. It's pretty easy. It's like 1, 2, 3, ABC. It tells you everything. It's gray. Boom, magic. I changed the colors. Ooh, just kidding. I changed it. This one's better. It's beautiful. It's more of a bronze gold. I like this color better. Well, you're asking, why am I talking like this? Well, 'cause I ain't no Jerry. I am Mr. Bear. Okay, let's set it up. First, you have to download the app. Then choose front door, if that's what you want. Then you gotta press the orange button on the back. When it's basically like that, just follow these steps. Like I said, it's pretty easy. Okay, you want to connect to your Wi-Fi? Well, first you have to connect your Wi-Fi. I mean the doorbell Wi-Fi. And then go back into the app again. And then exit. Well, no, I'm sorry. Cross that out. Once you're on the app, it tells you want to search your own Wi-Fi. And then you choose your own Wi-Fi, you put your password, and there, boom. Done. That was easy. Sorry for confusing you. Well, you could choose however sensitivity you want it. I recommend it, just leave it like that. 'Cause again, it's a doorbell. Just leave it like that. That's how I recommend it. Mr. Bear approves. Okay, so what else? Just keep watching. That's the options you have. Well, you also have live view. That's a new thing. What I don't like is that it takes like 12 seconds. But it's awesome. Mm-hmm. Alright, let's test it out. It's not working. Let's test it out again. Ooh, it works. It notified me. Yay! Okay, let's see. Oh, there I am. Okay. This is live view. Again, it takes a long time. Like around 10 seconds, maybe. Oh, it was faster. The colors look weird because I'm in the inside of my house. Mm-hmm. What else? What else? Let's install it. Mr. Bear approves. There. Let's put it on. You screw them screws. Screw, screw, screw. Screw, screw, screw. Screw and screw. Screw, 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 screw. Just like that. Yep, it won't fall off. Oh no, it doesn't work. Oh no. Heh, you just had to press hard enough. It works. The daytime.
French fries and well, I want some French fries and a Big Mac. And I just wanted you guys to know that I am Mr. Foxy.